In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add polls to Instagram post captions. Start by adding your content to your Instagram post, whether it's a photo, video, reels, carousel, etc. Once your media is uploaded, tap Next to proceed to the caption section. In the caption section, write your caption as usual. Include relevant keywords and hashtags for the visibility. Just make sure your final call to action inviting users to participate in the poll, ask a question, or set up scenario that encourages engagement. Look for the poll icon in the bottom left corner of the caption box. Tap on the icon to add a poll question related to your content. This could be simple, yes or no, option 1 or option 2, or more specific choices related to your post. And once you've added the poll to your caption and crafted your post, you're ready to share it. Just tap on Share to publish your post with the poll in the caption. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.